really quiet because my throat is not the best, and it's early. It is 8:14. We got up about 14 minutes ago, but this is our tree focus. There you go. It's brighter in person. So it's starting to feel a lot more like Christmas because we started decorating a bit more. This needs to be fixed. This is way too cluttered. Yes, it is. Okay, guys, comment down below if this is cluttered. There's too much stuff on here. You can barely use the island.
Yes, you can.
It's cluttered. Anyway, outside. Blizzard. Last year we actually had an even bigger blizzard, and we were outside with our friend at the time, and we were trying to walk. We were outside with Lindsay, and we were trying to walk in the 1 foot deep snow. And that day, the snow was up to here on the door. It was really high, so there was no way we could find the leash for Maisie to go out. So Dad just picked her up and launched her into the snow. She came back, which is good. But it's snowing. So yeah. Yeah, also it's Wednesday, so we're supposed to be at school, but it's a snow day, which I was praying for last night. They say we're gonna get, they said yesterday 15 to 20 centimeters, but I think it's gonna be more.
Maisie's whining.
I know. Oh, wait. Anyway, bye.